guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you this video real quick. Let me just say welcome if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning member, I love you a long time, you know that long time, I love you. Thank you for coming always. My name is Nicola, your Jamaican naturalist, hair guru, and just good vibes spreader. On this channel we talk about hair, and that's what we're doing today, talking about hair. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Don't leave it out subscribing, man. Yeah, they are ready to just subscribe and done. Yeah, right. Okay guys, please text into this very short video. I don't even want to talk because it's, you know, it's a dead giveaway. So just watch this video to the end. Thank you.
Well, hi again. Me over here on the voice notes. Yeah, voice over and all these things. I'm just taking my rollers down, guys. I've had in rollers for like a couple days now. I don't know why I've had them in so long. Because this hairstyle, I'm pretty sure, has been formed like long time. But yeah, taking it down right through. I think you guys can tell that the front of the hair is really curly, but as it comes to the top of the head right there, the rollers, I don't know why the curls never set as well. Maybe the seconds were a bit too big up there, or maybe just never roll it properly. I don't know. So, you know, I have to shake out the hair a little bit to see what's popping, and then I'm trying to break down the curls just a little bit more. But as usual, whenever I try to break down my curls, them kind of dissolve too quick. Especially the top right now, which is a bit bigger, you know, fluffy and more voluminous. To see, yeah. So in the videos that I watched, the girls, they used brushes to kind of, you know, sleek up the curl and turn it the opposite way. Oh god, sure. Alright, so yeah, mama shape me that while ago. I'm gonna look like a very mad person. Yeah, me have a bust a laugh, not to lie. But yes, I'm just using my fingers to kind of fluff the hair. I don't like fluffing my hair too much because the curls always dissipate, like I say, and it always come out like I never really want it. But yeah, man, tried and true. There we go, right through. Yeah, so I run through this quick and fast because it's really simple. I'm just taking down the curls and shaking on my hair to see what it looks like. That's really it. Yeah.
A very short video, like you'll see, that I've already tried to do is to attempt the TikTok style that's really trending, the 70s hairstyle, where they curl their hair and they shake it out, and it's supposed to give you like the curls, like it's like you know, it's, I don't know what to say, it's just going around your face like that. And at the top should be a bit sleek. So right now top of my hair is too voluminous, but I guess it's kind of giving what it needs to be given. I look like one of those black women in those movies, I think. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. It's, like I said, it's a real quick video. Just me attempting the TikTok thingy, and I wanted to do it on here as well. If you guys have done yours, let me see. Comment your TikTok names down below and I'll go check them out on TikTok. Tickety tack. But yeah, that's what we're giving. Okay, when I fix it up, it is giving, guys.
It's very giving. It's giving very much.
When I do this, it is giving. It is literally give what it needs to be given. So it's not a fail. I thought it was a fail, but it is giving. It's absolutely giving what it needs to be given. You see, you should, them say one of them not call it that way. You just fixed up a little bit, girl. Yeah, one of them not call it duppy. I'm gonna make it look a bit shiny. But it's a give I need to give me a little bit, man. Bad to bad. Bad to bad, it can't do the girls, so. Bad to bad, it's not bad though. And not bad at all. Alright, let me say, guys, it's giving. She's giving what it needs to give. I'm going to go ahead and go shake my head 2 times on TikTok. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow me on TikTok. It's Nikki_Welsh on everything. Nikki Welsh on Facebook. And I'll see you next time. Walk good, live, love, laugh, and spread good vibes. Peace. Mwah.